hermetically sealed compressor assembly. This is the lower shell of the hermetically sealed compressor. Okay, it is a steel body. Here you can see. Here you can see this arrangement is done, and here it is filled with the lubricating oil, or you can call it as a cooling oil. Why this is? Because here the stator winding is mounted by this way. Okay. Okay, so with the help of this spring, it is mounted over there. Okay, so this spring arrangement and this particular arrangement is made to absorb the vibrations or to damp the vibrations. Okay, this lubricating oil is used, whatever the heat dissipated over here, to actually for the cooling of this particular assembly. Okay, so while doing disassembly of it, we have cut it by a laser cut, or by you can do it by the saw as well. Laser cut is most preferable, most accurate, and most it will consume less time. Okay, so when you cut the upper portion, you can take out. Okay, so you will get this total assembly. Okay, you have to take it out. Okay, then you have to take out the top cover of it, and this is called the stator, this is called the rotor, and this is the top head of this particular assembly. Okay, so this top head is again can be separated out, and here you will get like this structure. This is a cylinder. In it the piston is moved. This is a valve for suction and discharge, and this is the ports for the discharge. Okay, so it's very simple. While doing I will suggest to keep it in a particular manner, so that it will be easier for you to do the assembly. Okay, so I am repeating it once again. Here this is a hermetically sealed compressor. Lower shell, upper shell is cutted out, lubricating oil for cooling purpose, and the springs arrangement for here on the top head you can see that spring arrangements for absorb the damping. This is stator. When you connect this to the electricity, the EMF is generated over here, due to which this rotor is set to rotations, and here with the help of the crank, there is to the crank the connecting rod is there, and to the connecting rod the piston is there. That piston is moving. That piston is moving inside this cylinder. Okay, so all the working of the compressor is happening over here. That connect with the help of the piston is moving inside the cylinder with the help of all this arrangement at a rate of 3000 revolutions per minute. Let me tell you, it is the most important part of this hermetically sealed compressor is this cylinder and piston arrangement. Here, with the help of this, the rotary motion is converted to the reciprocating motion of the piston. Now, to the head of the cylinder, this is the wall arrangement is made. So, this wall is called as an RV, non-returning wall, or one-way wall. So, how this is the working is happening here, when the piston is at this position and it will move down, here vacuum will be created. Outside there will be the atmospheric air, which is relatively higher pressure. So the fluid has a tendency to flow from high pressure to low pressure. So fluid will suck in. So this particularly wall, due to small movement, that you can see that movement. Due to this movement, suction will occur. Okay, and as you can see, when the piston reaches to the BDC, bottom dead center, okay, after that it will move upward. While it moving upward, you can see the discharge is happening from here. Okay, these two ports are there for discharge, and this movement is restricted by this piston head. So only the discharge will happen through this and this port. Now here, this is again most interesting, this piston head. from which you can see here are the two ports which are connected, means the discharge will be from here. Okay, so suction will be from this port and discharge will be from this port. Are you getting the point? Okay, so it's very simple. Suction is occurring through 1, 2 and all the holes available bottom to this, but discharge is operating in only one way, that is from these two ports. Are you getting? Because this movement is restricted by piston head. Because this is connected in what way? This particularly coming holes on this, and this is restricted movement. That's why. So when the piston will move back, suction will occur. When it will go, compression will occur, and at the same time discharge will be there. Okay, so this is the hermetically sealed compressor. Now the assembly portion. So before doing the assembly, I will repeat the names of the particular parts once again. This is the shell of the hermetically sealed compressor. This is stator. This is stator. Stator means what? At a static condition, winding is there. You can see the copper winding. Okay, and this is rotor. उसको dismantling कर सकते हैं. It will take 3 hours to again coil that particular. And if you missed a single phase, it will totally stop. What? It will totally burn out. So we are not going to dismantling that portion. But remember, this is stator, this is rotor, and this is a top head of that particular. So while doing assembly, what you have to do? Assemble it over here, and final assembly you have to put it in. So here, just this is a stator. Put rotor in it. Okay. Then this is the head. Here one more connecting rod is there, and then the piston, but that is not available. So we will not go in that. Okay. You can tighten the top portion or top head to this bolt. We have made it easy. We are not going to do that. And now the most important. Here you can see this notch, and this is similar to the shape of this. So keep it like this. Okay. And this should be in line with this. While doing assembly, we have made a group of 4 people. So we suggest the 4 people should be work synchronously to for the proper assembly. Okay, and while tightening, don't go for the spanner, do it with the hand, so that it will be easier for the next member to do the assembly portion. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Confirm?
Yes, sir.
Because अगर मुझे समझा नहीं, एक मिनट stop करो उसको.
Stop.
Now you have to start. You have to put this whole assembly here, and remember this springs you have to keep it over here. Okay. So remember, always suction pole is light at the top. So this is a suction port. The suction port will be go to this, and this is a discharge port. One more assembly is there. If you are interested to do, you just have to connect the suction ports through this hole. Sorry, this is for discharge. The bigger discharge. Okay, and this one. This is threading is there. So before mounting that, ये थ्रेड लगा के आप इसको यहाँ पे माउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड दिस इज एडजस्टेबल एज पर योर असेंबली, यू कैन डू इट. सो you just have to connect it. Sorry, yes, here you can see
डिस्चार्ज पोर्ट छोटा असतो. डिस्चार्ज छोटा असतो.
डिस्चार्ज प्रोसेस करायचे तर मोटर आहे.
okay, so you can keep it like this and you have to put the assembly portion. Stop.